In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert MBR to GPT while installing Windows 11 without losing data. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase an extremely simple method for you to convert your drives from MBR to GPT while installing Windows 11 and keep all of your data. So for this, you will need to use this exe file. This should already be pre-installed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The process is going to be exactly the same. So you will need to have access to your computer prior to doing the update. There is a chance that you might be able to do this during the installation process if you can open a CMD window, but I would highly recommend doing it before. So to check if you have this file, go to System32. So under this PC, go to the Windows drive, access the Windows folder, and then look for System32. Inside of System32, locate mbr2gpt.exe. You should have this file already provided here. If you don't have this exe file, you can find it on the official Microsoft website and download it from here. So as long as you download it from this page, you will be able to use it to do this conversion. So if needed, go to the official Microsoft website and acquire it from here. Now what you have to do is open a CMD window as administrator. So right-click CMD, so on the search function, look for CMD, right-click it, and then run as administrator. Now, you will be able to make changes within C, Windows, and then System32, which is where this file is located. So now you will have to input some commands. The first one is going to be towards the exe file, so you type mbr2gpt space /validate space and then /disk followed by the number of the disk, and then finally allow for OS. So just copy this exact command. If you don't know the number of the disk that you want to do this on, open disk management. So look for disk management and you will have all of your disks in here. So an SSD, HD, what you have to do is locate it by the number. So for example, if I wanted to change this disk, it would be number 0. So you just include the number 0 in here. It should validate everything, and if the disk is indeed in MBR, you will be able to proceed. If it is already in GPT, it's just going to give you an error message. Now, the next command that you have to input to actually perform this conversion is this, mbr2gpt/convert. So instead of validate, you will now be converting it after you have done the validation. Now, if you get an error message like this one telling you that you need to switch to UEFI mode in the BIOS, then you need to access the BIOS while your computer is booting. This will usually be done by pressing the delete key over and over while your computer is booting on. And you will look for boot mode selection or something like storage boot option control. Because this is going to differ for every single motherboard manufacturer, I cannot give you specific instructions for every single one, but look for the option to change to UEFI or UEFI only. Once it is changed, you are good to go the next time you boot up your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert MBR to GPT while installing Windows 11 without losing data. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.